Hello everyone. Today's topic image and its types. Next, difference between real image and virtual image. And third topic is your characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Let's start. First topic, image. What is image? What is image? Image is nothing but when we stand in front of a plane mirror. When we stand in front of a plane mirror, then we can see our own face. That is our image. That is known as our image. Then types of image. Image are of two types. Image are of two types. One is your real image, and second one is your virtual image. Second one is your virtual image. Then what is real image? The image which can be captured on a screen. The image which can be captured on a screen is known as real image. Real image captured on a screen. Whereas virtual image cannot capture on a screen. Virtual image cannot capture on a screen. Let us discuss difference between real image and virtual image. The first point is your real image is the real image is captured on a screen, whereas virtual image cannot capture on a screen. Second point you can write real image is inverted. Real is always inverted. The image form is inverted. In case of virtual, the image form is erect. It is real image on the same side of the mirror. Same side as the object. Object जिस साइड में रहेगा, image same side में formation होगा. But in case of virtual image, the image is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. In this case, image is formed behind the mirror. Mirror के पीछे image formation होगा. In case of virtual image, but in case of real image, it can be captured on a screen and it can be formed on the same side of the object or same side of the mirror. And real image is always inverted in nature, whereas virtual image is always erect in nature. Next, we will discuss the characteristics of a plane mirror. The characteristics of an image formed by a plane mirror. Image formed by a plane mirror. First, the image formed by a plane mirror is virtual and erect. First point is the image formed by a plane mirror is virtual and erect. Second, the image is formed behind the mirror. Since it is virtual, so the image is formed behind the mirror. Third one is the size of the object must be equal to the size of the image. In this case, size of the image, or you can say height of the image also. The size of the image, or you can say height of the image, is same as size of the object. Then fourth bit, the distance of the object in front of the mirror. The distance of the object in front of the mirror is equal to the distance of the image behind the mirror. The distance of the image behind the mirror. And last point is the image form is laterally inverted. The image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted. That means if you hold the thing in your right hand, then the mirror will show it as left hand. That is known as laterally inverted. The image formed by plane mirror is laterally inverted. Inverted. These are the some characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Okay, thank you.